Hi everyone, I'm Dev, and for the second video of the Quick Tip series, I'm going to be talking about type coloring, which relies on the PyRevit extension suite again. So usually in Revit, whenever we have multiple projects open, this could be either through an architectural link and a structure link, or a main container file and loads of different architectural links. We can get lost between the views sometimes. So for example, this is my architectural link. I can open a floor here, second floor there, and then maybe if I go to my structural link, I need to look at the second floor, maybe the first floor, and then I don't know if I go back to my architectural link and then I need to edit a family. You can see that we have all these views up here, but it's quite hard to navigate knowing which one belongs to which project. So using PyRevit, we can actually just hit the tab coloring button, and now you can see the views that belong to the same project are color coded. So for example, my architectural link is colored orange, the structural link is colored this black color, and my family is colored this pink color. It just makes it so useful when you're navigating between loads of different files. You can even then organize it like this, how you need to. And if you're not a fan of the colors or you want to change some of the settings, you can just go to the PyRevit tab here. Just go to PyRevit, settings. As soon as it's loaded, you want to go to the UI/UX tab, and then you can customize it. So you can customize which color will show in order for each new project in case that matters to you. This is something I use where I've edited it, so the top bar, you can actually change the thickness of how light or heavy it is, and same thing with the family editor. You can change, if you want everything to be a background fill, same for this one, and then all you have to do is hit save settings and reload. You can see these tabs have updated here. So that was the main thing I want to share with you in terms of this feature. I mainly always pair it with sync views whenever I start Revit. I went over this feature in the previous video, so yeah, feel free to check it out. Cheers guys.